Fluency is sometimes moved down the priority list in reading instruction. And if you think of it only as expression and volume, then it may seem like a gravy skill. However, with a true and deep understanding of the impact that fluency has, teachers will see it not as optional or an extra facet of instruction, but rather pivotal and essential. Let's start with early reading instruction. In order for students to read independently, they need a foundation in phonemic awareness and phonics. This is the ability to pronounce words and know what sounds each letter or letter combination makes. But as any reading teacher knows, just being able to pronounce the words isn't really reading. When kids apply only phonemic awareness and phonics knowledge, they live on the island of decoding. This is fake reading. They're not doing anything more than word calling. Our goal is to get them here, to the Island of Comprehension. This is the island of I get it. This is where vocabulary and concepts and author ideas all come together and students comprehend. Now, there's only one way to get kids from the Island of Decoding to the Island of Comprehension, and that is to cross the Bridge of Fluency. Now, it's more than a matter of just crossing the bridge or just reading the text. It's about how fast students read it and where they break and take breaths. That's really what fluency instruction should be focused on. A little bit with expression, but a lot of it on reading rate and breathing. If we read too slowly and don't breathe for the appropriate punctuation, then everything sounds like a robot and we never make it to the Island of Comprehension. However, some students read too quickly and they're not thinking about what they're saying. They never land on the Island of Comprehension. They skip right on over that island and land in the ocean of confusion. Teaching and practicing fluency skills is essential for building strong readers. It's the bridge that students have to cross to advance from the Island of Decoding to the Island of Comprehension.